Hey there, beauties. Today I'll be doing a Victoria's Secret haul. I've always loved Victoria's Secret since I was a teenager. I still look like a teenager, but I'm definitely not. But anyways, I'm going to start out by just reminding you guys of how I save money because, you know, Victoria's Secret is nowhere near cheap. And I've talked about some of these things before in a previous haul, but I'm just going to mention them again very quickly. Number one, like if you love Victoria's Secret, definitely sign up for the email list and you know, check those promotions often. They are really good about having different promotions each day, especially around the holidays. And they're really good about doing an extra 20% off of clearance items. I do the bulk of my shopping around the semi-annual sales, which are around December/January and then in June. So right after Christmas and then in the summertime. And you can just find the most awesome deals then. I really don't pay full price for much of anything most of the time, I'm happy to say. I also have a Victoria's Secret credit card, and I don't do credit cards. I don't really do debt, but I do this just for the points. Just for the points. And I just, I think this last week or so, upgraded to the silver card or whatever comes after pink. But I can't find it. Like, I just activated it and I don't even know where it is. Anyways, you can get little rewards like this each time you upgrade to the next level, and that's just an extra way to save some coin. Also, if you have the Victoria's Secret credit card, when you do online orders, if you use your card, then you get free shipping at $50 instead of like $90 to $100. So just a few tips there. I'm going to get right in and show you what I got this time around. So, so I'm going to start by showing you some of my, you know, underwear. I'm just going to like show you a quick glance. I'm not going to talk much about it because it is underwear and that's kind of weird. But this actually came from my mother. It's a very beautiful color. And we got these little babies to match. She actually got me 2 of these. I don't think she meant to, but they're cute. And then on my latest online order, I got this little baby. Just something you need to have in your wardrobe for special occasions, I guess. I think I'll do the fragrances next. So my mom also got me some Bombshell Intense, and I got this little rollerball to go along with it. And the reason I got it is because I don't like carrying my like glass perfumes, you know, around in my purse. So I really like having this, you know, just for on the go. I really need to collect more of these. And the notes in this are lush cherry, red peony, and sultry vanilla. And I think that's a really good description of what this smells like. I could do a whole video on the Bombshell collection. They don't smell anything alike. They're just different types of Bombshell perfumes, and they're really awesome. I'm trying to collect them all. Okay, next I have 2 body creams, and I think I paid like $3.99 for these, which, you know, that's like drugstore price, and that's awesome. And I might have even had an extra 20% off, maybe. But the first is the Bali Coconut Palm, and that's so pretty. And yeah, I mean, it smells like coconuts. I'm actually collecting these. I have a lot of Bath and Body, but I'm trying to stock up on the Victoria's Secret, and I have a whole little section for those in my Impressions Vanity. Yeah, the thing about that Vanity, like I have all this beautiful stuff, but it's almost so pristine. Like I don't really use that stuff. I don't know. It makes no sense. But anyways, the next lotion is the Santorini Neroli Water. And I kind of smelled this earlier, and I wasn't as crazy about this one. I mean, it's got like a, well, I was thinking this would end up in a giveaway, but now that I'm smelling it again, I actually like that. I mean, it smells like it's got that water, beachy smell to it. And yeah, I think I am going to probably enjoy this if I ever decide to use it. So next I have 2 new perfumes to add to my Victoria's Secret collection, and it's kind of crazy because out of all my perfumes, almost all of them, except for the ones that my sister gives me, are Victoria's Secret. So this is Victoria's Secret Scandalous, and it's so beautiful. I do love the packaging. Even the box is just really pretty. So the notes in this are raspberry liqueur, black peony, praline, and that's it. So let's see how it smells. Okay, I'm just going to spray it on this little card right here. Oh, I really like that. It's got a sweet smell to it, but it's like sweet, but not too sweet. Like, kind of smells exactly what the notes say it's supposed to smell like. I like that. I could see this for like a night out with the girls, like not formal, but jeans and like a cute top. I mean, it is called Scandalous. Okay, so next we have another Bombshell. This is the Bombshell Gold, and it's beautiful in this little box, but we're going to take it out and see what she smells like. Again, just look at that. I mean, I don't even want to use these because they're so pretty and just, I don't know, almost like collector's items to me. Like, I have a problem. I do realize that. So, I guess I will just spray this on my arm. Now this is more of a formal smell, which you would expect that from the presentation, like it's Bombshell Gold. Let me see what the notes are in this. We've got frozen lychee, gilded peony, and sugared woods. I don't know if I'm smelling any sugared woods, but I like that. That's a really, this would be good for church, for like dressing up, for a night out, just when you're wanting to feel a little extra, you know, when you got the heels on, you got the, you know, the edges slicked back, all that. This is more definitely probably the most formal Bombshell that I have. I love that. So next I have a Victoria's Secret hand sanitizer, and I had been wanting this for the longest time, but I'm just not going to pay but so much for hand sanitizer. So I waited until it went on sale. Again, I think it was about $3.99, perhaps even less, but it was cheap enough to where I was like, oh yeah, now's a good time. So this is Coconut Jasmine. Gosh, I still smell that Bombshell Gold. Okay, so it smells like alcohol. And then once that wears off, it actually does smell pretty good. Like, I smell more coconut than jasmine for sure, but I really like this. It's like some bougie hand sanitizer. I mean, who doesn't need bougie hand sanitizer these days? So this will definitely be on my vanity area. I'll use this when I'm like trying to really do something extra. If I'm having like if I'm getting ready to go out, or if I am doing some serious skincare, that's where that comes in. That will not be my everyday hand sanitizer, if you know what I mean. Okay, next, my husband got me this, and this is the Victoria's Secret flavored lip gloss in Berry Flash. So I'll just go ahead and, I was not sure about the color, and I'm still not sure. It does smell really good. Got a little bit of a taste to it. I already had it on some lip gloss, so you can't really tell, but I like it. It feels great on the lips. Like, it feels so nice and soft. It doesn't have any tingle or anything like that, but I'm definitely digging this. Would I pay $10 for it? No, but I'm happy for him too. So. And my last product probably is my favorite. I've been on this kick with the little sweatshirts. I just think they're like the classic signature Victoria's Secret. Like, I just love it. You can wear it around the house. You could dress it up with some boots, whatever. And so here is my newest addition. I think it's adorable. This one actually does have a hood. And it just says Victoria's Secret in these pretty metallic pink letters. And this is, yeah, this is an extra small, but it's actually pretty big. So, yeah, I can't wait to wear it. Although I will wait a long time because I just don't rush to use things that I'm excited to use. Okay, anyways, that's it for my Victoria's Secret haul. If you guys are interested in, more ways to save money at stores like Victoria's Secret or more hauls, then definitely let me know in the comment. And one thing I forgot to mention, I think a lot of people don't realize this, if you do have this credit card, you can use it at Bath & Body Works. You don't get the points, but you can use it. And, that's especially helpful around the holidays, for my girly girls. Yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see me and my sister Tiffany as we break down all things beauty, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you again in the next video. Bye.